Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya Smith and I'm just going to jump right into this video. If you saw my last video, you will see how I achieved those super big bouncy curls. But this is about 4 or 5 days later and my hair kind of got rained on, so it's a little bit tangled and those curls were clearly gone. So I wasn't ready to wash my hair yet, so I said I was going to do a twist out. So if you already watched that video, you would know that I already had product on my hair from that rod set that I did. So I wanted to go in with the super light mousse so my hair wouldn't obviously be weighed down because that product was still in my hair. I decided to go with the Main Choice Anti-Shedding and Intense Volume Therapy Mousse from the Mood collection. I absolutely love this mousse and I've done a twist out with it before and it came out absolutely perfect. So I'm just going to put this on my stretched hair on each section and brush it through. After that, I'm going to twist it down and then I'm actually going to use my wet wand tool. You guys have seen me use this before in the other video. I will link it down below. This is pretty much how you can get your hair to like curl up in a uniform curl without using a perm rod. I really didn't want to do a perm rod because I wanted to put quite a few twists in my hair. And this helps your hair dry a lot faster. And I also like the little ringlet that it puts on my hair. So I just did this all over my head and I slept in it overnight. I tried not to go overboard with the mousse because I actually really wanted like a super soft twist out with like, you know, not too much hold, but mousse is kind of hard to like not put a lot, so I just ended up coating all my strands. So of course my hair kind of reverted back, so that's something you want to think about while using a mousse. It isn't cream based, so just be careful with how much you add when you want to do something like this. This is me all finished twisting my hair up. My twists are actually super shiny, which I knew they would from this mousse. And I just slept with this overnight, like I said, and this was actually 2 days later. I left those twists in. I'm just, of course, gonna put some oil on my hands and separate the twists. My ends were a little tangled because I didn't sleep with a scarf on, and that just tangles my hair up. But I just slowly took out the ringlets from the wet wand and slowly took my twist out. So as you can see, I got a super tight, juicy curl at the end of each twist. I was absolutely in love with how my hair was coming out. So after I got done taking down all my twists, of course I went in and separated. And after I separated, I fluffed until I got my desired volume. I will say that the wet wand definitely gave me some length. I think that's where my length is coming from. I know my hair is growing, of course, but I think if I would have twisted my hair all the way down, I don't think I would have had that extra length. Like, look at the hair in my face. So of course I had to slick my edges. That is Lovely Bee's Edge Control. And here is my finished result. I was absolutely in love with my hair and I was glad I was able to get this twist out without redoing a whole wash day. My hair was full of volume and super defined. I'm absolutely in love with it. Let me know what you guys think down below and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That's where the shorter version will be as always, and I will see you next time. Bye.